Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and this is episode 2 of my new Christmas junk journals that are in my Etsy shop right now. The link for it will be down below. So hopefully you will go over and check that out. So for today, I have 2 styles of cat-themed Christmas journals. And this particular one here, I have 2 of. They each are just one signature. This one is a bit bigger and it actually has 3 smaller signatures. And I believe, no, this was not made out of a Reader's Digest book. It was just made out of a random book, I believe. But love this book. It's so cute. So this one has a vintage feel to it. This one is more playful. Has a really cute paper collection that I used, and this really fun, cute cat fabric on it. And I guess I'll just go ahead and start with this one here on the left, and then we will check out the other one. So this one, again, has fabric and paper for the cover, and I sewed all the way around. It has this really cute little title on the front that says Meowie Christmas, and then I made a tassel that is attached with the lobster clasp, and it has several different trims, laces, ribbons, vintage ribbons, and yeah, it's just really fun. It has the sewn fabric tie on it. I did sewing throughout this whole book. I also have coffee dyed papers and doilies. I sewed trims and things along the edges, as I do for most of my books, and it includes lots of cut aparts and journaling cards and fun tags and things like that. So I'll just go ahead and flip through it here. Here's the front cover with a little journaling card there. This is a pocket on the side. Love this paper. It is a Recollections paper from last year. They have a fun one out too for this year. Here's a cute little Christmas tag. There is a little cat paper clip that I included with that journaling card. There's an envelope and another little tag there. This is a pocket. There are vintage book pages in here. This one has a, I think this was from The Night Before Christmas. And then there's a cat there. I just thought that was cute. Belly band. A vintage music page. This is some really cute cat Christmas wrapping paper. That was super adorable. Some grid paper, lined paper. Here's a pocket. This is a piece of the fabric. Here is a card. This is from the 80s, I believe. Cute sheet music there with a kitty cat. Deck the halls. It's a little fabric flip. And that is another page from The Night Before Christmas. A little side tuck there with another cat tag. I added a detail here with a vintage zipper. You can actually unzip it, but not really any. It's just a detail decoration. There is that. This is some really fun velvet ruffled trim there on the side. And another little pocket. This paper is just really adorable. If you take a look at it, it's just got some super cute little details in there. These little Christmas trees have fish on them. It's just cute. Some extra paper. There's another little side pocket with a tag or a journaling card. And that is the last page. There's a little tuck in there. So really super adorable. Go ahead and check out that listing. Now for this one, this is a hardcover but covered in fabric. This looks vintage, but it is not vintage. It just has a vintage, I think it's like a reproduction. And then I used this really fun plaid to coordinate with it. It has a tassel with lots of laces and ribbons, and it also has a charm dangle that has a bell and a couple different Christmas charms, a tree and a little stocking. It has a ribbon tie. And we'll open it up here. There is a little glassine bag here to put some goodies in. There is a little sheet, a little note paper there with a little paw at the top. And then here's a little side tuck belly band. This is a vintage postcard, probably from the 80s. That is a side pocket. Here is a little side tuck here with this. This is a digital vintage cat print, really cute. Some vintage music paper. It's another little tag. This one, of course, has the sewing throughout the book. Here is a cat paper clip, and then this is a really cute cat playing card. Kind of a Victorian, couple of Victorian cats. Let's stick that in there. There we go. So one sack, and there's a little tag in there. This page has a couple of paper flip ups that you can hide pictures or journaling or whatever you want in there. This is a little side tuck. I have some dyed paper. This is like Kool-Aid paper, and I also spritz this with some glimmer mist. Little pocket there. Belly band. There's a little cat tag there. So die cut, that's like a little Christmas tree paper clip. This is a side tuck there. Here's a vintage book page. It actually shows you how to draw this little Christmas tree with a cat. Just thought that was cute. Little cut apart there. Little side tuck and belly band, or a belly band with a piece of note paper. This is a vintage book page that I stuck in there. It's just the 3 little kittens that lost their mittens. So that was cute. There's another one in here as well. This is an envelope there. You can stick goodies in. Some music, vintage music there. And here is another page from the 3 little kittens that lost their mittens. So they're making a little cat snowman. I thought that was adorable. Stick that in there. This has a couple of altered paper clips just with some lace and ribbon. Here's a vintage, this is a piece of vintage Christmas wrapping paper. I just thought it was super cute with these 2 little girls and the cat sitting there watching them play. I made it into a journaling card. So that's stuck in there. And then here's the last signature. This book has lots of places to put pictures and tucks. Cute little cat there. It's a belly band. It says popcorn bag. Here is another one of those cat cards. I actually attached that in, so that's a page. Cut apart. Really cute. And that is the last page. There's the back. So just another adorable cat-themed Christmas album. So go ahead and check both of these out. I will have the links for them down below, as well as for the video for the first 2 types of journals that I released before this video. They were a Christian Christmas theme and a shabby chic pink vintage Santa version, and I had 2 of those as well, so check those out. I hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did, leave me a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye, God bless.